I am the only foreigner that be out here hanging out with multiple girls. Hey, so welcome to the vlog. Welcome to our vlog.
Oh God.
Shh, they don't know. Drink more. Get it, bro. I'm feeling drunk. I'm drunk. Come on. Hey, hey. Snap your fingers. Do you stay? I feel drunk. That's one for you.
Thank you, dear.
And one for you, my love. I love you, girls. Yo, we got an amazing video for you today. Right now, we're about to meet up with like 3 Filipino girls that want to go party. You already know it's Saturday. I'm not gonna lie, today is gonna probably be the last video that I'm gonna be making out here in Manila because I'm going to Cebu. I'm gonna tell y'all right now I'm going to Cebu. So make sure to follow all the social media in the description. And don't forget, subscribe to the damn channel. We're the best vloggers in the game. And I'm telling you, tonight is gonna be a whole vibe. So stay tuned and subscribe, and I'll see you when I meet up with the girls. Before we even start, we need to eat because I'm telling you, I haven't ate nothing. And look, we met up with the beautiful Rose and her friend. What's your name again?
Rose M.
Rose M.
Yeah.
So they both Rosies, Rose M. Bro, we're gonna have a damn vibe. All right, we're gonna start it off with the half chicken right now. This is gonna be the pre-game before the pre-game, but we definitely gonna eat more. All right, the party started. Let's go. Drink more. Drink more. Come on, let the party is starting. Let's go. And you gotta take a shot too. Come on, take a shot. They tell you it's good. Drink more. That's the pre-game. She's already drunk. Come on, drink more. Drink more.
One more. One more.
You see this shit? The gin's gonna kick in. Come on. Come on, drink more. Oh, that's not ladylike. That's not. I'm not editing that out. We're keeping that shit in there. Drink more. Go ahead. That's her medicine. That's her medicine right there. Drink more. Let's go. Everybody getting lit up, Jim. Kamusta, brother? Kamusta? 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 Let's go. We saying hi to everybody. The gin's kicking in already. It's kicking in. And as we walk to this club, right, you see, I am the only foreigner that be out here hanging out with multiple girls by my damn self, bro. That's how you be vibing. I don't vibe with a whole bunch of guys. For me, I'm always usually the only guy with a whole bunch of girls. Easy, let's go. I already know. We going to 7-Eleven. We need more gin. We need more gin. Come on. So you get the bestie. The bestie. Come on. Hell the fuck no. No besties with you. Hell no. Alright.
My bro.
Yeah, alright. I'm not gonna say it on camera, but you know what I you know what I wanna say. Far from bros. Alright, fuck it. Alright, boom. Get the pineapple. Maganda ka.
Thank you.
You're beautiful. Concentrate. Boom. You know what I mean? Nah, man. Let's get it, G.
Professional.
Professional.
Kids don't do this.
Come on, don't do this at home. Don't do this at home.
It's like a bottle of milk.
Wow, that's strong. What the hell? Yo, this gin is very damn strong. Very strong, too.
Oh my God! What is that?
You see, and look how much water I put in that.
That's strong.
Look how much water I put in that, and look how strong it still is.
It's good.
Right? Oh, look, she's a professional. That's good. I'm already feeling it. One gin could get you 2 mixed drinks right here. Yeah, put some water. This right here is way too strong. Put some water in that.
Feel it.
Feel it? All the way, all the way. All the way. Yeah, it's good there. This is how we sneak the bottles in, G.
Oh God.
Shh, they don't know.
This culture shocking.
They don't know nothing.
Oh my God.
Bam! You feel me? They don't know nothing.
Wait.
They don't know nothing. I can't fit two of them in there. Go ahead, go. Hey, Joe, welcome to the vlog. Go ahead, welcome to our vlog. Subscribe. Bro, we got it with the bottle. Let's go. Got it, Joe. Yo. Yo, we gonna get lit tonight. And yo, my guy from Cambodia, let's go. He showed up, I told y'all. Yo, you already know this. Not come by. Bro, we getting in with the drink. Come on, Jess, come on. Let's go. Kamusta, brother, kamusta. We just got 2 of these bottles in right here. We drink it for free. We drink it for free in this bitch. Come on. Hey. Drink more. Come on, drink more. Oh my God. Everybody drink, come on. I didn't love me, inside of me. Come on. Oh my God. Come on. We vibing over here. Stop playing. And we drink it for free. Come on. Oh my God, no. Yo, she's at 10 already. Oh my God. Y'all already know. Right now, I'm telling you right now, I don't know how they don't search the bags like in America. You know, in America, they fucking be overly fucking like searching your bag. Out here, we got 2 bottles of gin inside. We drink it with 4 of us so far. And we're about to go to 7-Eleven, get more drinks, get back in there, and still fucking, bro, I'm spending like $2 for 4 people to fucking drink. Where the fuck can you get that out anywhere else? Fuck, come on. We about to go to 7-Eleven, get more gin, and we about to make 2 more drinks and get fucking lit. Yo, we putting my guy onto the gin. Look, we got 2 bottles of gin right here. We made 1 drink, 2 drinks, and my boy got 1 and 2. We not drinking no fucking 400 peso drinks. Hell the fuck no. Come on. All of us is getting drunk. Or for basically $2-3, bro. Come on, let's go. Come on, try it. You try it. Yo, this girl's like a fucking 9 already. This is a 9. Come on, let's see.
Oh, it's strong.
It's strong, right? Oh, come on. Kamusta? Right now, we got 1 me, 2, 3. We got 1 over here, bro. This is how you vibe out here in the Philippines, bro. Salamat, bro. It's easy vibes, bro. Easy vibes. Just be friendly and have a good time, bro. You been. Yo, she's feeling it. That's it. She's feeling it. Oh my God, good vibe. Bro, we so fucking lit, bro. Look at this shit. Bro, don't tell me I can't get these fucking bottles in any fucking club, bro. Bro, we drink it for free. For free. We ain't paying no 400 pesos for no damn drink. Easy as that, you heard? Let's go! Hey, come on! Come on, kamusta!
What's your channel?
Huh?
What's your channel?
Cash Travel. Come on, we got the sexy rolls. Hey. Oh my God, we lit. We lit in here. Yes, sir. Whatever this is, whatever that is. This is what you want. This is what you want. Salama. Walk it out. Walk it out. I walk it out. Is that walk it out? Is that walk it out? Is that walk it out? Walk it out. 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 Do it now, walk it out. Hey, do it how you do, man. Walk it out. Do it now, we walk it out. Come on, walk it out. Ah, look at that. That's mine. That's mine. They get it. Kamusta? Kamusta? Let me do it. Fingers, do you stare? You can do it all by yourself. Do let it go. I can let them both. I don't wanna do it all quick. So don't get comfortable. I don't dance now. I get money move. Get it, bro. You know where I be. Oh, yo, I'm feeling it. I'm 100% feeling it. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Go ahead, drink. Drink. Oh, my God. Drink. Drink. Bro, we getting lit, yeah? We didn't pay for one drink. Not one. Dead life shit, just live this dead lifestyle. Bro, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. She drinking. Drink more. Drink more. Bro, I'm feeling drunk. I'm drunk. Sam. Oh my God. Oh, drink more. Drink. Drink more. What'd you say? What'd you say? Come on, drink more. That's it.
No more.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Drink, finish it! Alright, right now, I'm gonna keep it real with you guys. I'm a little drunk right now off the gin, and I'm gonna keep it real. Come to the Philippines, guys, because you guys don't understand. I've been here for 3 weeks, and I feel nothing but amazing. And right now, we're getting turned the fuck up. I'm with 2 Filipino girls. This one's a little fucking short, but this one, if you guys been watching my channel, you guys know about Rose. Rose is sexy. Oh my God. You don't even understand. It's annoying that in the Philippines, they ask you to have a flight out of the Philippines before you get here. And honestly, like, it sucks because I want to stay here longer. This is not like Thailand. This is not like Cambodia. These girls are not freelancers. These girls are like normal ass girls, and it's like, kamusta, brother? Come on. Kamusta, kamusta, brother. Hopefully you have a good night. Have a good night. These girls out here are just like genuine, and they really know how to treat a man. And it's like, I really don't want to leave, but it's like, this is probably gonna be the last video of me making videos out here in Manila, because I'm going to Cebu. I'm literally the only foreigner out here with 2 other fucking Filipino girls, and we out here having a fucking blast, man. Come to the Philippines if you can, because you honestly don't understand. Philippines is hands down one of the best places I've been to, and I don't feel nothing but grateful coming out here. Right now we drunk, and we just eating some random seven.
My wife's.
No.
You sit because we're wearing high heels. Why?
Nothing like the
What's that?
I feel drunk.
Am I?
Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so good. Look at my eyes. Your boy is drunk. Oh my god. So fucking good. She's drunk. She's drunk.
We're not drinking anymore. You're out of balance, Dustin. Thank God it's summer tomorrow.
Oh my god. It is so good. I feel it right now.
Oh dear. It's watching it.
I'm not no bitch. I don't take chases. I ain't never scared, you heard? We don't drink water.
What? Hey, I'm innocent.
¿Cómo está? Oh, ¿cómo está? No, that's one for you.
Thank you, dear.
And one for you, my love. I love you, girls.
Thank
I love
you.
girls. You're amazing.
Oh yeah, you're
I love you, girls.
Yeah. Please stay. Please
Two
stay.
of them for you, girls. Come on, we get the beautiful one. They get whatever they want. ¿Cómo está? ¿Cómo está? I paid 50 pesos per rose. That's like fucking $1.50. A dollar for two girls to be happy. Come on, the beautiful women, like the beautiful. Let's go. One thing I hate about these fake ass foreigners, bro, I was about to slap two of these fucking motherfuckers out here that just act tough. Bro, I learned real quickly, motherfuckers like to talk, and when it comes to actually fighting, these motherfuckers is pussy as shit. Alright, right now, we're gonna about to wrap up this video because I'm telling you right now, I'm about to slap some motherfuckers out here that I'm just like trying to keep it cordial because I'm not trying to get the New York in me. So let me end the video right now before I get wild the fuck out. I love you guys, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Before I get wild the fuck out, I love you guys, I'll see you in the next video.